First, let's keep it simple. POLYX. Is the fuel for Polymesh a blockchain built for security tokens? What does that mean? Well, let's dive in. Think of security tokens as digital versions of real-world assets like company shares, real estate, or bonds. Unlike regular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which are just for trading, POLYX helps make these financial assets secure, compliant with laws, and easy to trade on a blockchain. Here's why that's cool. Imagine owning a piece of a skyscraper or a company stock. But instead of paperwork, it's all digital, super secure, and you can trade it instantly. How cool is that? POLYX makes this possible by powering three big things. Paying fees for transactions like creating or trading these digital assets. Staking, where you lock up POLYX to help secure the network and earn rewards. Governance, letting POLYX holders vote on how Polymesh evolves like a digital democracy. Polymesh is special because it's a permissioned blockchain. What does that mean? Only verified users can join, making it super safe for big financial players like banks or companies. We all know how important that is. It's like a VIP club for digital finance. POLYX didn't just appear out of nowhere. Its story starts with Polymath, a company launched in 2018 to make security tokens a reality. Back then, Polymath used an Ethereum-based token called Poly. This helped businesses create digital versions of stocks or bonds. They even helped create the ERC 1400 standard, a rulebook for security tokens on Ethereum. But Ethereum wasn't perfect for this. It was like trying to run a bank on a public playground. It was slow, expensive, and not built for strict financial rules. So in 2021, Polymath launched Polymesh, a blockchain designed just for security tokens with POLYX as its native token. Poly holders could swap their tokens for POLYX. And Polymesh took off. It's now a leader in tokenizing real-world assets, or RWAs, which are worth trillions globally. Fun fact: Polymesh's team worked with the Swiss regulator FINMA to make POLYX a legal utility token, giving it a stamp of trust. We all know how important that is for crypto. Fast forward to April 2025 and POLYX is making waves. Here's the inside scoop. POLYX is trading around 13 cents. With a market cap of about $148 million and 1.15 billion tokens in circulation. It's not a top 10 crypto yet, but it's ranked number 288 on CoinGecko and showing steady growth. Big players like Binance, Crypto.com, and KuCoin list POLYX, making it easy to buy, which is huge. Companies like Red Swan use Polymesh to tokenize real estate, turning buildings into digital assets you can invest in. How cool is that? Polymesh uses a nominated proof-of-stake system. What does that mean? You can stake POLYX to support the network and earn rewards. It's also super compliant with built-in KYC or Know Your Customer checks, so regulators love it. Also super important. So why is POLYX catching the eye of digital nomads? Especially those in Asia. Well, digital nomads in places like Taiwan or the Philippines are really interested in POLYX. Why? Because it's connected to tokenized assets. Just imagine this: you're working from a beach in Cebu, and at the same time you're investing in a New York skyscraper with POLYX. How cool is that? And to top it off, its low transaction fees make it super budget-friendly for nomads. So what's the catch? We all know crypto is volatile and POLYX's price depends on how fast the world adopts security tokens. But with the global securities market worth hundreds of trillions, Polymesh is just getting started. Here's a fun fact. Polymesh also has a secret weapon called confidentiality protocols. Only locals in the blockchain world know how Polymesh lets you trade security tokens privately, like a digital vault, while still being transparent for regulators. It's like having a secret handshake for your investments. That keeps them safe and legal. Really important in this day and age. So why should you care about POLYX? It's your ticket to the future of finance. Whether you're a digital nomad in Asia or just curious, POLYX lets you dip your toes into owning real-world assets without needing a bank. Plus, you can stake it to earn extra tokens or vote on the platform's future. Just remember, crypto is risky, so only invest what you can afford to lose and do your own research. That's the POLYX story, from big dreams to Polymesh's 2025 takeover. It's a crypto to watch. Are you excited to explore POLYX or tokenized assets? Drop a comment. Hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto deep dives. See you in the next video.